Namaskar. Most people don't know that they have some form of kidney disease until it's too late. Actually, high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, stress, excessive salt, painkillers, all are silently damaging your kidney. But if you follow some simple natural practices, you can help your kidneys cleanse themselves and stay strong. Today, I will share with you 8 ways to do so. First, water. You see, nothing can replace simple plain water as a kidney cleanser. Water helps dissolve minerals and prevent stone formation, but it should be consumed wisely. Drink as much as your body needs, but keep sipping slowly. Don't gulp down too much in one go, as it will put a lot of strain on your kidney. You must know that if your urine is pale and yellow, you are well hydrated. If it is dark, your kidney is asking for more water. Second is Amla or Indian gooseberry. Amla has a lot of vitamin C, which reduces stone risk and oxidative stress on kidney. You can eat it by grating amla on curries and dals, drink diluted amla juice, or even have dried amla powder with honey. 1 amla a day also helps control blood sugar. This indirectly protects your kidney, since diabetes is one of the leading cause of kidney damage. Third is coriander. This common herb has a wonderful diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties. One home remedy for burning urine is a decoction made from coriander leaves. Now, scientific studies are also saying this. Coriander can protect kidney tissues from oxidative damage. Just boil a handful of leaves or 1 teaspoon of seeds in water. Then strain and drink. It also aids digestion. Fourth is lemon. Its secret lies in citrate. Citrate binds with calcium in urine and prevents it from forming stones. A simple glass of lemon water in the morning is like a good medicine, but make it fresh at home, not bottled drink which is full of sugar. Fifth is coconut water. In Ayurveda, tender coconut water is considered as sheetal, cooling and balancing. It restores electrolytes like potassium, magnesium. It reduces dehydration and prevents stone crystals from forming. But those who already have advanced kidney disease must be cautious, since potassium can build up in their blood. For healthy people, especially in hot Indian summer, coconut water is a blessing. Sixth is pomegranate. This fruit is been praised in Ayurveda. The juice and seeds are rich in antioxidants. Pomegranate slows down the oxidative damage in kidney and improves the overall kidney function. Eat a small bowl of seeds daily or 1 glass of fresh juice without sugar. Seventh is cranberries. Although these are not traditionally Indian, cranberries are good for your kidney health. There are proanthocyanidin, and that prevents bacteria from seeping into kidney trap. That is why they are widely recommended for recurrent urine infection, because during such infection there is an extra load on your kidney. You can have a handful of dried cranberries or a small glass of unsweetened juice daily. 8 is salt reduction. Salt is essential, but excess salt is poison for your kidney. The World Health Organization recommends less than 5 grams a day, but survey shows that Indians consume nearly 9 to 10 grams. Excess salt raises your blood pressure, makes kidneys overwork, and increases the stone risk. You can flavor food with lemon, roasted cumin, or herbs instead of having too much salt. Apart from these 8 ways, I will talk about some yoga asanas that can stimulate circulation and release the pressure from your kidneys. Yogendra, Ardha Matsyendrasana massages all your abdominal muscles. Yogendra Bhujangasana and Yogendra Halasana improves blood flow to the kidney. Alongside these practices, remember a few holistic guidelines. You should know that obesity raises kidney diseases. Kidney diseases risk by almost 80%. So, always keep your weight in check. Diabetes and high blood pressure together causes nearly 2/3 of all kidney failures. So, control them through your diet, yoga, and meditation. Prefer fresh seasonal fruits and vegetables. Avoid overpackaged food. Also, avoid smoking and alcohol, as they double the risk of kidney damage. Manage stress, because chronic stress silently raises blood pressure and damages kidneys over time. Avoid painkillers, which overburdens kidneys. In fact, long-term painkiller use is a top cause of kidney failure worldwide. So, instead of reaching for tablet for every aches and pains, try yoga and rest as a natural remedy. Our kidneys are hardly bigger than our fist, but they do extraordinary service in our body. Each day, these two little organs filter about 180 liters of plasma. Out of all this work, only about 1.5 liter is passed as urine. That's how efficient they are. Our kidneys are the guardians of balance in our body. They serve us silently every hour, every minute. Let's not wait for them to cry out in pain. With simple steps, water, food, herbs, yoga, and wise living, we can protect them for life. And when the kidneys are clean, the whole body feels light and fresh. So take care of yourself. Namaskar.